But you know, as a guard, it's always tough to set screens for big men, especially that cross screen.
Oh, that's a good block by Konate on Ced Manzano. Clear defensive move brought to you by Clearman. Power up your dandruff-free scalp supercharged with Clear. Former Ateneo Blue Eagles center. That's Paul Zamar is talking about another block there by Konate. And a third one. And Bongkopa again tracks down that rebound. Finds Da underneath, denied.
Trusting their offense here.
What a play by the backcourt tandem of Pasaol and Bautista. The Mall of Asia Arena. Let's look at that play again, Paul. Look at that setup job by Pasaol to his backcourt partner.
You know, but it started from the backcourt. He did not force the issue with the backdoor cut.
Oo nga pala, no? Galing horn set nga pala yung play na yun. Quick release, Mike Torres as he gets it to go. Butterfingers. Pasaol gives it back. Underneath.
Nice
play. Highlight play by FEU. Move of the half. Stargazer, let the future move you. Pasaol also, of course, has been the man for FEU.
He's been the man. They're sharing the ball. They're making each other look good, and now they're playing for each other.
Manzano from 18, making it look easy. Torres sees daylight. Good move. We find ways.
And this is what's good with Adamson. You know, they're nothing fancy, just being patient.
Back-to-back threes. A skip pass to Rojan Montemayor, his second triple of the game. Balik-balikan moment brought to you by Nissan Cup Noodles, Panalong Seafood Sarap. Brush screen. Fake. Erolon, very slippery underneath.
Good stop for Adamson right there, stopping their fast break.
Montebon on a transition three. Here comes Adamson.
Good defensive stuff from Adamson right there. Still staying with the 2-3 zone.
But FEU not giving up. Pasaol ahead of the pack. Pasaol puts on the brakes. That is Joric Bautista. Montebon still with possession. Montebon fades away. Got it! Tama ka, Paul.
Matt Montebon.
Big shot. That's a big shot right there. Now they're within striking distance.
And
7-point lead.
Probably getting his stroke back here after being in foul trouble the whole game. Motolite Pang Matagalan play of the quarter. Brought to you by Motolite Pang Matagalan. Download the Motolite Rescue app today. That definitely counts. It is 49-42 going.